going on, y'all? Can't get right back at it. It's my APU, and this is the changing of the fuel filter. The fuel pump. By the way, I'll show you what a fuel filter is. Did a video on how to do the PM on it. Change the alternator belt. Well, not the alternator belt. Well, yeah, that too. But the belt, I changed that a few months ago. It's pretty damn dusty. Alright, y'all. Change out my fuel pump. I was in that triangle of death. Here it is right here. And there's a cover right here. You're gonna need to take it off. Well, you really ain't got to, but you can. You got some big hands or whatever. And you see this right here? That's your fuel filter. I didn't change it. I didn't even think to buy one. But there's your fuel filter in there. Here's your fuel pump. And it's an elbow. You see that elbow back there? That shiny thing? It's an elbow. You guys know what elbow is. Here's the old fuel pump. Now, I'll tell you this before you get started. Pay attention to that flow. Let's go forward like this. The wires come towards you. Yeah, on this one, I hope the one I got's the same way. I just put it towards me because the wires are coming my way. Like this one. But on here, on the front, see the front hole? This piece right here came out of there. You gotta take that off. You may need some PB liquid, or liquid wrench or whatever, WD-40 to get it off. I kind of stripped mine using vice grips because I done ran out of PB with a liquid wrench. But you're gonna have to take this little picket off and stick it in here so it can connect. And here's the wire that it connects to. I got a little diesel on it. I have to wipe it off. It connects to that. And you see this here? It slides down and it goes. You screw it in there as your fuel line. This just screws off. Screw this off. Don't worry about this yet. Just take the fuel pump off first and screw this shit. Screw it off and you just slide it back. Then when you then you just pull this out of the old fuel pump. And pretty much, y'all, that's it. I should have recorded myself doing it, but I figured it's something I can just explain to you. Oh, one more thing. When you take off your old one, on the back side, there's no screw. You just twist it 90 degrees. You twist it off. Just twist it off. It's a tight little spot, but you can get it off. Once you get the front fuel line off, you just twist this off that elbow back there. You'll see the elbow and you'll feel it. Just twist it off. Unplug your wire first so you don't fuck it up. And yeah, just working on off of there. Twist it off and put your new one in, y'all. What my APU was doing, it'll turn on and it'll cut off real quick and come back on, turn back on real quick. Like it died. It sounded like, to me, like fuel wasn't getting to it, but I wasn't sure, so I took it to the shop. And they wanted $1,700 to change this, change my water pump belt, change my motor mounts. I need motor mounts. I already bought them. I'll put them on myself. And do a PM on my heater bump on the $1,795. I told them bag my truck out that goddamn shop. Goddamn it, I buy the parts myself. I think that's all that's all I was getting. But you can see the motor. I call it like a little lawnmower motor or whatever, man. It ain't that damn difficult. Everything's right here to get to. Ain't that your alternator, if I'm not mistaken? That's your compressor, AC. If I'm not mistaken, I get these bitches confused sometimes. And if you're changing your belt again, this bar right here, it's a screw back here. See, my finger is a screw. You unloosen it, and this will move. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's how it works. This will move, or this will slide. Some shit like that. Some of them different. Some of them you just twist this bar. The bar's not like that. Then you can get the belt on. It'll loosen up something. Shit, I forgot what. But then you better put your belt on. That's your tensioner pretty much. And yeah, if you need a new belt. And your water pump belt, let me show you all that while I'm at it. I didn't even know the fucker had 2 belts. Water pump belt right here. I bought a new one. They said it's dry rotted, but that bitch finna run today. I ain't changing nothing else today. I'm up here at the agency. Some agents I do business with came by to see them. I ain't never met them before. So I'm out here in their parking lot doing this. Or whatever. Tell them I can park out here, do a 10 or whatever. But anyway, yeah, that's one major thing. When you get that front fuel line off, twist it to take it off the back one. Because I was looking for a bolt and everything about 15 damn minutes. That's why I took the bottom off. You ain't got to take the damn bottom off. It give you more hand room though, but yeah. So am I forgetting anything? Oh, that's it. I think that part's like $160, $120, something like that. But alright, y'all. There's how you change your fuel pump.